smile in your face. Observe your body. Slowly slow down your thoughts. Feel a beautiful, pleasant evening. Observe the sunset. Slowly observe the surroundings. Feel the surrounding sounds. Feel you are a unique person in the world. Anyway, remember these beautiful thoughts. I am the best person in the world. I can do it alone. God is always with me. Today is my day. Feel I am a winner. Don't forget these beautiful thoughts and don't remove your smile also. Feel your smile is your strength. Now once observe your whole body. Observe the breath and the heartbeat. Now take deep inhalation, completely exhalation. One more time, take deep inhalation, smoothly exhalation. Now chanting Omkar 3 rounds. Slowly release the mudra. Join the palm, chanting Patanjali Namana. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarottam pravaram munina Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Few seconds, hands in chin mudra. Observe your whole body. Feel the rhythmic vibration and observe your breath and heartbeat. Smile in your face, gently palming. Touch your eyes smoothly and softly. Slowly open your eyes, look between both palms. Namaste.